Hello friends, in this video I'm going to explain you how we can check holiday homework. As you know, students are giving a holiday homework through a Google Drive link. I'm showing one example of mass holiday homework Google Drive link. So for example, students already have filled it. They have given to you. So to check their responses, I think you all are aware that you have to go to the responses portion. When I click here, I can see that 8 responses are already here. So I think you all are aware that the responses come in this way. But you should not check your holiday homework like that. To check the holiday homework, you can see that there is a one link is given view responses in sheets. These are the Google Sheets. You click on it and you can see that it's showing a complete list, student name, class, admission number, and its Google Drive link. Okay, so here you can easily check holiday homework. Like you know that the Ajay of class 6A admission number is this, and this is his Google Drive link. So how you can open it? For that, first, you place your cursor over it and you see that there is a pop-up menu. This is showing, and you can see that here the cursor shape has changed. Now it is in a hand form. When it is in a hand form, then you click on it and you will see that it is open. Now it's showing an error because it's a demo form. So I'm closing it. Again, I'm showing you that you just have to place your cursor over it. Then you see that there is a pop-up option has come. Just place your cursor over the link and you see that the cursor shape is now in a hand form. Okay, pointing finger. So click on it and then you see that it's opening a drive and it's going to show the holiday homework. I'm closing it because they all are my personal drives. Now I like to tell you a feature of Google Sheet or MS Excel. Okay, that is a filter feature. It will help you to create a class wise list. To select that option, please ensure that you must select the first row, then go to the data option and create a filter option. Select this option. After that, you will see that there's some line has come. For example, I want to create a list of class 6A. So I will click on it. Now you can see that all the classes are selected. First, you need to deselect it. For it, I'm just clicking on this clear option. Now, no class is selected. Now, I just want class 6A list. I will click on it and OK. You can see here now the two students from class 6A have submitted their holiday homework. So now you just select all these three rows. First is a heading row, second is for Ajay students, and third for Pooja student. So hold down the shift key again I'm telling you, hold down the shift key, then click on the last row. Now you can see that all the three rows are selected, and then go to the edit, copy. In case you remember the shortcut key Control C, you can select it. Now here you can see the plus sign which is used to add new sheets, and go to the first column. It is already selected. Then right click, then choose paste option. Now you can see the 6A students are here. Now the same way, go back to the previous sheet which is a form responses one, and this time you want to select 6B. Again click on this filter, and this time you select B and deselect A. Now click on OK. Now you can see Only 6B student list is here. Again, select first row, then hold down the shift key and select last row. Right click, copy. Again, create a new sheet, then right click, then paste. Now you can see the 6B list is here. But here you can see the sheet 5. Sheet 5 is showing sheet 5, but in your case it can show different sheet also, 1, 2, 3, anything. So in the sheet 5 is holding the list of 6B. Now you can change its name also. Okay, so double click on it. Now write down 6B. So it means that it is having 6B list. Again, double click on it. This is holding class 6A list. 6A. Again, come back here. In the same way, you can select each class and create a list. Now, you want to have all the classes again, then again select all option, click on this option. All the classes are selected, click on OK. Now you can, this is actually a complete list of responses. Here you are having a class wise list like 6A list only and 6B list only. This file is on your drive. Okay, if you want to download this file, go to the file option, click on download and select Microsoft Excel. Now it will ask the location and where you want to save. For example, I want to save in my folder Pooja with the same name, micro mass holiday homework. Now click on save. So this file is now in my system as well as on my drive also. Now I open this file from Pooja folder in my system, mass holiday homework file. I'm opening it. First time it will show you this option, enable editing. Click on it. Actually this is a protected view. uh, Click on enable editing so that we can make some changes. Now you can see it is the same file, responses one, and this is a list of class wise. This file is a Microsoft Excel file. It is also having a filter option. You can use it here. It is here. You can see sort and filter option. Again, click on this, then select filter. Now, again, down arrows has come. Click on it, and this time, for example, I want 6C. 6C, select 6C only. So there is only a one child. Again, same option. Select these two rows, right click, uh, copy, then create a new list, then again right click and first paste option. Sometimes it shows such kind of sign. Actually it shows, it means that there is a less space. You can increase the size of column by placing a cursor between these two columns line, this line. When the cursor shape changes into two black side arrow, you can see that, then drag it. So now the width is okay. Again, you can set the width of other columns also. Now you change the name of it. Now, for example, you want to give the marks to them. You check their holiday homework and you can create a one new column with the name of marks, and you can assign the marks to the student. So in this way, you can check the holiday homework and give marks to them. One thing I just want to tell you, that whatever the changes you will make here, downloaded file, that changes will not reflect on your drives file.
I hope everything is clear now. Thank you.